It's looking like a warm, sunny day in Indianapolis this year, with temperatures climbing as high as the low 80s by the end of the race in the late afternoon. No rain's expected, and that's happened many times. However, the rainiest race day was in 2004, when nearly 4 inches of rain fell. The race was stopped twice and declared over at the 450-mile mark. While this year's high stops in the 80s, there have been 7 years with race day highs in the 90s, with 1937's 92-degree temp the highest on the books. On the opposite side of things, the coldest was back in 1992. It's the only race day with a high in the 50s. Colder air causes tires to become more stiff and they lose their grip. Mario Andretti knows this firsthand. He was in this coldest race, and here's what he told me about a pivotal point when he was leaving the pit while under yellow. He was far back in the pack at turn 3 when he got the green and had to make a move.
I was overzealous, and I came into turn 4. I was under about 3 or 4 cars, and of course, because of cold tires, you know, I crashed big and I broke some bones and whatever, and I was out of the race. So that definitely weather played a huge factor there. If it would have been a sunny day, I would have probably been okay.
My full interview with Mario Andretti and a bonus interview with current driver Santino Ferrucci are both online now on Wayne.com. Check them out and learn Mario and Santino's ideal race day forecast. Now, for local Indy 500 parties this weekend, weather's looking good, but we still have rain to deal with before we get to that beautiful forecast. Here's a look at our live Doppler 15 Fury storm tracker screen this evening. We're done with our most recent round of rain that's shifted off to the north, but you can see the system still hanging around the Midwest. It's basically a pocket of cold air above us, creating some instability, that colder air wanting to sink, the warmer air wanting to rise. We're getting rain and some occasional thunderstorms to develop at times. Now this evening, you can see we're in the clear, and we're likely to remain clear and dry for most of the night, but we still have a chance that a scattered shower or thunderstorm could pop up. And this chance remains in the picture for us tomorrow. But our chances at seeing the strongest storms tonight, it's much lower than yesterday when we were much hotter, in the 80s. Right now, we're in the low 70s with our temperature of 71. Winds blowing in from the south-southwest at 10 miles per hour. Here this evening, we're down in the 60s at 8, and we stay in the 60s for most of the night. Right before dawn, some spots will drop into the upper 50s. Now, on Futurecast tonight, we're going to see the mostly cloudy sky in place. At times, still that chance of a scattered shower or thunderstorm. This is 9 o'clock. You can see some of that rain activity showing up, but some spots still dry at that time. And the rain, it remains hit and miss during the day tomorrow. Our morning time temperatures in the upper 50s to low 60s across all of northeast Indiana and northwest Ohio. Over the course of our Friday, you'll see the rain come in and out, but a lot of times when it's not raining. Kind of continuing that same trend we've seen for the past 2 days. But this rain will clear by the time we get to later on our Friday night. Now it's time for your Dry Dock Marine Center lake forecast. 9 tomorrow morning, 63 at 1, 67 at 5 o'clock, 69. And the scattered rain and scattered thunderstorms will not make it the best day to be out on the lake. But remember, there's lots of good news coming for Memorial Day weekend. The rain chances diminish as we close out Friday. We get to Saturday morning. Still some clouds around right at daybreak on Saturday, but those clouds will be decreasing and will break out into a nice amount of sunshine, and our high temperatures will be on this upward trend. Take a look now at your exclusive 10-day forecast. After tomorrow's high temperature of 69, we're at 73 on Saturday, Sunday 82, Monday up to 87, Tuesday 88, sunshine, Wednesday, that's going to be June 1st, 89. Now we'll drop to a high of 79 on Thursday and get a slight chance at rain and thunderstorms. A similar slight chance on Friday, a little bit cooler, 73. Saturday, 76. Then a week from Sunday, our high temperature, 80 degrees. That's your latest forecast.